Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to get girls only on Monkey app using a simple method you can follow right on your phone. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store app. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can download or update apps without any issues. Step 2. In the menu, go to the search bar at the top and type Monkey app. Then press search. From the results, select the official Monkey app. If you see an update button there, just tap on it to install the latest version. Step 3. Once the app is updated, go ahead and open it from your apps list or directly from the Play Store. Wait a moment while it loads and gets ready. Step 4. On the main screen, you'll see various options. Look carefully for the one that says both and tap on it. This is where you'll find more control over your match preferences. Step 5. After tapping on both, more settings will appear. Now look for the Girls Only option and tap on it. Then click on the Start Match button to begin matching. Just a heads up, this feature is not free to use. There's no way to access Girls Only directly unless you get a paid subscription. So, to use this feature smoothly, choose your preferred subscription plan, complete the payment, and it will be unlocked. After that, you can easily match with Girls Only. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.